Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is Speech on Mother's Day. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear fellows. Today, I feel honored to speak about the most beautiful person in our lives, our mother. Mother's Day is a special occasion to express our love and gratitude to the one who gave us life. A mother is not just a parent, she is our first teacher, our best friend, and our greatest supporter. She sacrifices her comfort for our happiness. She stays awake when we are sick. She guides us when we are lost. Her love is pure, selfless, and endless. No words are enough to describe a mother's importance. As Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Paradise lies under the feet of mothers. on this special day, let us promise to respect, love, and care for our mothers, not just today but every day. Dear mother, we love you more than words can say. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.